This is lesson 8, day 1, comparing linear functions and graphs. So exercise 1 provides information about functions. We're going to use that information to help us compare the functions and answer the questions that follow. So 2 people, Adam and Bianca, are competing to see who can save the most money in 1 month. So Adam's saving is a graph, while Bianca's savings are in a table. So on Adam's, we have where we can look at it. We can go up 6 from 6 here, where there's a point here. There's also a point here. So we can go up 3 and to the right 1. And we can go to the right 1. So our slope here is 3 over 1, which is 3. We also have our y-intercept, which is right here. So our y-intercept, or our b, is going to be 3. Oh. So our point is 0, 3. So now to find Bianca and her slope and y-intercept, we have our point 5 and 17, and we have 8 and 26. So for that, we have our slope is 26 minus 17 and 8 minus 5, which then is 9 over 3, or 3. Our y-intercept, or we're even going to write our equation at this point. We have y equals, keeps erasing, I'm sorry. So y equals mx plus b. Or in this case, we have y equals 3x plus b. So we're going to replace 5 and 17. So we have 17 equals 3 times 5 plus b. So 17 equals 15 plus b, subtracting 15 from both sides. We have b equals 2. So Bianca's equation then, or function, is y equals 3x plus 2. So it says, in order to compare the functions, you must find the following for each function. So the slope or rate of change for Adam is 3 over 1, or 3. Bianca's, again, is 3 over 1, which is 3. So Adam's type of slope is positive. Bianca's is positive. Adam's y-intercept is 3. Bianca's is 2. Adam's equation, we have y equals 3x plus 3. And Bianca's is y equals 3x plus 2. So once you have this information, you are prepared to compare similarities and differences, the functions, and answer questions. So for A, we have, excuse me, use the table and the graph above to determine who will save more money each month. They will save the same amount, of $3 each month. The rate of change is the same. State how much money each person had at the start of the competition. Adam had $3 to start with. Bianca had $2 to start with. So next, we're going to try it on our own. And actually, we tried this in class. So it says Lara and Dion went on a cycling trip with school. The graphs show the distance traveled D kilometers and the time taken in T hours by each of them. So Lara had 60 over 4, or 15. So in other words, she had 60 right here over 4. And Dion had 40 over 2. Or 20. So Lara's rate of change is 15. Dion is 20. Lara's slope is positive. Dion is also positive. The y-intercept, Lara, is 0, and Dion is also 0. The equation for Lara, or the function, rule for Lara, is y equals 15x. And for Dion, the function rule is y equals 20x. Now, to describe one similarity and one difference between Lara's function and Dion's function, the similarity is both have an initial value. Let me fix that just a little bit better than that. Of 0 kilometers. The difference is Lara travels at 15 kilometers per hour. Dion travels at 20 kilometers per hour. This ends Lesson 8, Day 1.